Saturday Night Live went with a double Trump opening Saturday, but the only Donald present was a junior. In what seemed like a mix of the X-Files and All the President's Men, the Mueller files examined a fictitious 2016 meeting attended by Donald Trump Jr., Mikey Day, his not-too-bright brother, at least by SNL satire standards, Eric, Alex Moffat, and WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange, a black leather-clad, white-haired and bearded Kate McKinnon, in an underground parking garage at the Ecuadorian embassy in London.